We're here at the Victoria and Alfred waterfront in Cape Town. We're actually leaving today around Chapman's Peak Drive to Houtbaai, and then we're going to be staying tonight in Arniston. Cape Town was, it's also called Mother City. This is where the Dutch people came in 1652, and they started a refreshment station here in Cape Town for the ships who was traveling for trade reasons around the South African coast up to the east to India and those countries at the time. Yeah, it's also a very popular city for tourists to visit. It's very safe, especially during the day. We're here at the waterfront, which is a big shopping mall in the old harbour. Beautiful restaurants and lots of retail shopping. Yeah, and now the view is not so great, but yeah, downtown Cape Town you also have lots of retail shopping available, beautiful restaurants, and then of course beautiful views as well. So can really recommend a visit. This is it. We're ready to go. Bikes are started up. Everybody is super excited. Namibia, here we come.
Chapman's Peak Drive is a popular tourist attraction and a vital transportation route connecting the Atlantic seaboard with the southern suburbs of Cape Town.
Beautiful Cape Town weather. Driving down Chapman's Peak Drive. It's one of the most scenic drives here around Cape Town, here on the west side of the city.
Chapman's Peak Drive not only offers visitors an unparalleled visual experience, but also serves as an essential link for commuters and a gateway to the natural beauty of the Cape Peninsula.
Of Chapman's Peak Drive, coming now here to Windhoek and Kommetjie, and from here on we're gonna go to Hermanus. Hermanus is very famous for whale watching. Kalk Bay.
Kalk Bay is renowned for its picturesque harbour, charming fishing village, atmosphere and a vibrant art and craft scene. It serves as a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, offering a unique blend of quaint shops, galleries, restaurants and beautiful beaches.
We're still here on the main road, just passing through St. James. People are also just stopping to enjoy the views a little bit. Beautiful train line route here behind us.
The area's historical buildings and landmarks, along with its thriving fishing industry, contribute to the town's cultural heritage and make it a must visit.
Even some tidal pools we can come swimming.
Cape Town is known for its excellent whale watching opportunities. From June to November, southern right whales migrate to the waters around Cape Town to calve and nurse their young. The region up to Hermanus offers fantastic viewing spots both from land and through boat tours. This building here next to the station that houses the Brass Bell pub dates back to the early 1900s and has served various purposes over the years, including a tea room and bathing house.
We're here on Clarence Drive on False Bay. On a little bit more clear day, you can see all the way over there up to Cape Point. It's actually also over there, the whole bay, it's called False Bay.
The route from Gordons Bay to Hermanus is one of the most scenic routes in the Western Cape.
We are now here in Hermanus. On the whale watching route,
Visitors can often spot whales or spot penguins in Betty's Bay. Arniston has become a popular tourist destination because of its natural attractions, like the Van Huyskraans Cave.
That was our day. We just came from Cape Town now to Arniston, and yeah, it was still quite a bit wet and rainy. And now we're staying here at the Arniston Hotel Spa. We're just gonna have some dinner here tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll get into the road again. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time.